The city of Fort Collins utilizes drone as a city resource, and what makes that a little bit different is we have shared drones throughout the entire city that live on rooftops of various fire departments. Our dispatchers can launch them as they're answering a call for service for whatever reason and get a bird's eye view of what is occurring on the street within seconds. That's a game changer for not just the police and fire, the traditional users of drones, but for every department inside the city.
Having the conversations with utilities and power, we quickly realized how much the drones could be used for. We found out that there's a flow obstruction, and so some guy will drive all the way out to a river and walk up and down it to try and find the obstruction. When I was doing the demonstrations for water, they were like, hey, actually, we've got one down at Fossil Creek right now that we were about to send somebody. And I flew the drone down there, and within 5 minutes, we were able to see the obstruction. Just that cost savings alone, a 3-hour job and 2 to 3 people might have been before, now is a 10-minute job and a 1-person response if we need it.
We're pretty excited to be able to apply drones to our tools to use. When we have outages, we're 100% underground, so there's nothing visual to see. Usually when something happens to an underground failure, the lid will blow off the top of a manhole or something, and we can identify the location of that failure or outage point. This could apply and shorten the lengths of our outages as we move forward.
I'm appreciative that we work for an organization and a community that's open to ideas like this and willing to be collaborative for the benefit of all.
So the Drone as a City Resource Program is one that is being led by Fort Collins Police Services, but really embraces all aspects of the city. It's water, utilities, you name it, they have access to a drone, and we can make their job more efficient and safer for everybody.